So an example on resultant of two vectors. So across country skiers skis 1 kilometer north and then 2 kilometers east on the horizontal snow field. How far and in what direction is she from the starting point? Okay. So although we use analytical methods in solving for the vectors resultant, okay, but it would be best if we draw the vector quantities. Okay, not necessarily down to scale, but kinda realistic would na if the magnitude is greater compared to another magnitude, then the length of the arrow should be longer compared to the other vector quantity. Okay, like for this one, our displacement 1 kilometer and the 2 kilometers, the 2 kilometer arrow should be longer than the 1 kilometer arrow. Okay, so 1 kilometer is north. So use this. Let's say we label it as vector A. Okay, or 1 kilometer is vector A. So 1 kilometer, you can just shorten the direction north using letter N. And then para we can use polygon method, okay, or triangle method if there are two vector quantities. So we'll use the head to we'll use a head to tail method. Okay, para di na to parallelogram, no? Okay, mas hassle man siya. So uh you need to draw the second arrow from the head of the first arrow. So you're 2 kilometers east. Okay, let's say this one. So let this be vector B. So your vector B is the 2 kilometer vector quantity and the direction is east. Okay. So it asks how far and in what direction is she from the starting point. Okay. So in how far, so we have to get the length, okay, of this arrow connecting, okay, the 2 points, no, the starting point and the final point of the person. Okay, so let this be our resultant R. And then in what direction is she from the starting point? Take note, we do not simply get the direction of this arrow if we follow polygon method or parallelogram method. So we start our tail of the resultant from the tail of the first vector, and then the direction is towards there, no? Bali, northeastern siya, no, na direction. Okay. But we need to consider unsa gipangayo sa problem, no? Kay word problem na ra ba ni? It's not simply asking what's the direction of the resultant. Okay, it says what direction is the person, no? In what direction is the person from the starting point. From the starting point. So kung asa gikan na pag-measure is very critical for word problems. Okay? Maybe you'll give the correct angle, but the direction, no? Possibly wrong. Okay? So, kailangan ko no imuhang pag-measure sa direction should be, okay, from the starting point. So, pwede man nga pangutana, okay, is, what direction is she from the last point kung asa siya nadapita, no? After moving 2 kilometers east. Okay? So, ang ipangayo direction from the starting point, we need to measure the angle from here. Okay? And as much as possible, ay imong angle na isolve should be within the triangle form. Okay? Ayaw tong naa sa gawas, except if that would be required sa problem. Okay? Para don't need to use a lot of um, computations. Okay? So let this be your eta sub r, okay, or the angle na for your resultant. So we'll be describing in how many degrees, okay, is this angle from north, okay, and then going towards the eastern direction. Okay, maoy pinakadali, 'di ba? So first we solve for the magnitude. Okay, so solve for r. So it's a right triangle, by the way, because it's north and east, so the two are perpendicular, right? So it's a right triangle here. So just use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for r. So our r would be square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay, make sure to write the units of your vectors. So that's 1 kilometer squared plus 2 kilometers and squared. Okay, or that's 1 plus 4 or 5. So square root of 5. So square root of 5 and then kilometers squared. Okay, plus kilometers squared. So it's still kilometers squared. And square root of that is kilometers. So it's important to include the unit in your solutions so that you can check by doing dimensional analysis if it's really correct. Now, if the formula is correct, if your computations are correct, if you're plugging in the correct quantities ba or not, no? So, sakto naman na the result is a unit for length, okay, which is the magnitude of the resultant. Okay, so dimensionally correct. Ito ang equation. So you can write it in this form or write approximate values. Okay, better, no, if it's an exact na value. Nuwa ka na anad og radical o anad-anad na karon. Okay, it's not a specific good na requirement to write your answers in decimal form. Depende na nasa instructions. Okay, so just write it as square root of 5 kilometers at least. It's an exact no na value. And then we now solve for angle theta sub r. Okay, ayaw sige memorize sa formula. You need to understand how the formulas are used. Okay, with of course your mathematical background no na importante. Okay. So your given quantities, no, A and B, as much as possible, do not use the computed value R in solving for theta sub R. Okay, although pwede na siya gamiton, pero what if, okay, wrong imong R, di marong po imong theta sub R. So use the given quantities, at least lesser chance no na incorrect imuhang value sa theta sub R. So the angle opposite to this, the side rather opposite to this angle is vector B, and adjacent to it is vector A. Okay, so it's not always arctangent of vertical over horizontal components, ha? Okay, depende na case to case basis, no? The angle here is not measured from the horizontal, it's measured from the vertical. Okay, so double check. Ganito ni imong knowledge sa trigonometry, no? Sa pag-solve. Di kay memorize lang sa formula, bisag lahi nga angle ang gigamit, hala, no? So, kana. So, bali, theta sub r, okay, would be arctangent of B, the opposite side, and over A, the adjacent side. So, arctangent of 2 kilometers over 1 kilometer. Okay, or arctangent of 2. So it's arctangent of 2 or 43 if we round it off to 4 decimal places. 63 rather, sorry. 63.4349. 63.4349 degrees. So make sure to check the mode of your calculator, okay, if it's in degrees. So therefore, I need to make a conclusion. Just solve lang. You need to answer the question. Okay, so the skier, okay, is square root of 5 kilometers. You can use a comma before describing the direction, and then 63.4349 degrees Okay. Um, east of north, right? Okay. East of north of the starting point. Okay. So if you want to use the angle outside the triangle, you may do so. Okay, make sure to describe the angle na properly. Okay, if you want to use standard position, then the angle should be measured from here and not from the vertical direction. So if standard position, then it's 90, no, minus 63.40, 49 degrees. Okay.